Hi, good day. Captain RODIENPACA once again. Collision Regulation of 1972. Rule number 9 already. Narrow channel. What is narrow channel? We'll define the actions of vessels inside narrow channel. Narrow channel would force me to make a different approach of discussions as I would read one by one. Rule number 9. Alpha. A vessel proceeding along the course of a narrow channel or a fairway shall keep as near to the outer lane of the channel or fairway which lies to her starboard side as much as possible. Let me redefine that one. Okay, if you are in a narrow channel, okay, so here the figures would show that you are on the narrow channel. This is the edge of the channel and the upper edge, the other edge. The vessel should stay on the starboard side of a narrow channel. Next, Bravo. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length, it's very, very small, or a sailing vessel, shall not impede the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or a fairway. Meaning, you're a small vessel. You're not allowed to impede a bigger vessel which can only navigate the width, the breadth of the vessel would be enough for the narrow channel. So, let me show you the figures of what they're talking about. So, vessel under 20 meters, which is in vessel C in this animation, or a sailing vessel, which is a vessel D, should not impede, meaning you give way to a larger vessel so as not to impede the passage of a vessel confined to the channel, which are, in this example, A and B in our animations. Let me go on. Rule 9, Charlie. A vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any vessel navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. Fishing vessel should not impede, meaning any vessel. So, the vessel engaged in fishing, which is vessel C and D or Charlie Delta, should not impede the passage of vessel under 20 meters in length, sailing vessel, and vessel confined to the channel. These are the vessel Bravo and Alpha. Again, fishing vessels, you're not allowed to impede any vessel. This is in Rule 9, Charlie. Rule 9, Delta. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel or fairway if such crossing impedes the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within such channel or fairway. The latter vessel may use the sound signal prescribed in the Rule 34 Delta, if in doubt, as into the intention of the crossing vessel. Okay. A vessel shall not cross a narrow channel, impeding a vessel that can only safe navigate it. Let me illustrate to you what they're talking about. Okay. The vessel tried to cross, but it should not impede a channel, the passage of vessel to the channel A. So the vessel channel A can proceed. Do not cross. You are a crossing vessel in a channel. You're not allowed to impede. The animation is very clear. Okay? That was Delta. Echo. Rule 9 echo, composed of many things. In a narrow channel of fairway, when overtaking, okay, overtaking can take place only if the vessel to be overtaken has to take action to permit safe passing. You want to overtake, the vessel to be overtaken says yes. The vessel intending to overtake shall indicate her intention by sounding the appropriate signal. Rule 34 Charlie. The vessel to overtake shall in agreement and appropriate the signal in Rule 34 Charlie 2 and take steps permit to passing. So let us see how the prescribed overtaking vessel. Okay, in Rule 34 Charlie, first let me show you this one and the sounds. A intends to overtake on the port side. B answers long, short, long, short. Again, let's show the animation. Vessel A likes to overtake on the port side, so she intends to use long dash followed by small dash. If okay for B, B will answer long dash, dot, long dash, dot. Again, one more time. Vessel A likes to overtake on the port side. Dot, dot, dip, dip. Vessel B agrees. Dot, dip, dot. Very easy. That is as per Rule 34, Charlie. We will discuss this one by one later on when we reach Rule 34. This rule does not relieve the overtaking vessel of her obligation under Rule 13. Okay. The overtaking vessel who would like to overtake on the starboard side sounds dot dot dip. If okay, again, vessel B would sound dot dip dot dip. Let's shoot again. Overtaking on the port in the starboard side. Starboard side. Vessel A would like to overtake on the starboard side. Dot dot dip. B agrees. Dot dip dot dip. Very easy. Okay. A vessel nearing a bend, a bend, or an area in a narrow channel or fairway where other vessel may be obscured or intervening obstruction shall navigate with battery caution and sound the appropriate signal prescribed in Rule 34 Echo 1 prolonged blast. You're nearing a bend, just like you are driving and you cannot, because there's a 90-degree corner. This is what they're talking about. So let me show you this figure. So a vessel A nearing a bend shall sound 1 prolonged blast. And I am able to see the obstruction would sound 1 prolonged blast. Vessel B is in range, so the ability would reply with 1 prolonged blast. Okay, once again. A, 1 prolonged blast nearing the bend. B, hearing, would reply 1 prolonged blast. And they are occupying the starboard side, complying the narrow channel Rule 9 alpha. Let's go back to the last subsection. Any vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid anchoring in a narrow channel. Never anchor in a narrow channel, not unless it is an emergency, not unless you lost your steering or there's something wrong with your ship. show you this figure. So, never anchor. Do not anchor in a narrow channel. Simple. The animation would show an X, an anchorage area. We never anchor in a narrow channel. Fellow mariners, I have discussed already rule number 9 of Colregs in a narrow channel and a very good animation which is comparable to any TV presentations. This is Captain RODIEN PACA. Happy sailing!